Hi everyone, this is Joanne. Today we are going to talk about Central American Independence Day. This day is celebrated annually on September 15th. On this day in 1821, 5 nations, Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua, signed the Act of Independence, successfully breaking free from Spain without engaging in a prolonged war. And there are events that happen on both September 14th and 15th. One of them is the Freedom Torch. This is a ceremonial torch that is passed hand to hand across Central America. It comes here from the north and passes through Nicaragua to Costa Rica, symbolizing the region's shared history. September 14th also commemorates the historic 1856 Battle of San Jacinto, a major military victory when Nicaragua successfully defended their country against a foreign invader led by William Walker. This victory is remembered as a triumph of courage, patriotism, and national sovereignty. There are school marching bands that practice for Independence Day for weeks and weeks prior to the celebration. We can hear them practicing in every neighborhood in San Juan del Sur. And when the day comes, there are parades of patriotism. People line the streets and we watch groups of dancers, baton twirlers, flag bearers, and drummers. It is really quite fantastic. There's a lot of colorful uniforms, and at the end of it, everybody's really waiting for the time where we don't have to hear that familiar drum beat any longer, but there's always like 1 or 2 kids in the neighborhood that are not ready to put down their drum yet. They keep practicing for a few days after the celebration. It is actually kind of adorable. There is a document called the Act of Independence, and this is read in schools this time of year, accompanied with a lot of patriotic exercises and ceremonies. Many people have at least 2 days off, especially government workers, people who work for big companies. They get those 2 days off, plus they get the weekend off. Often it ends up being a 5-day weekend. They flock to the beaches, like here in San Juan del Sur. We see a ton of people. It's actually one of the biggest weeks of the year for many people who own businesses such as bars, restaurants, hotels, even Airbnbs. It is one of the biggest revenue producers throughout the year. What you will see here in San Juan del Sur is you will see flags everywhere, and you will see parades going through. People don't just call it Independence Weekend. They call it Dias Patrias or Mes Patrio, like the whole month they celebrate this independence. The town takes this patriotic atmosphere very seriously with blue and white Nicaraguan flags everywhere. Patriotic music plays, there are special events throughout the weekend, and September is known as nationally as Mes Patrio, or the Patriotic Month.